Zimmer Twins is an online movie creator that's a lot of fun. When you're thinking about making a story, remember we always need to talk about that we need characters, setting, a plot with a beginning, middle, and end, and some sort of problem and solution. So when you're putting together your story, keep that in mind. So when you click on the link, you'll come here. Maybe on your Chromebooks, it might not ask about Flash Player, but I already have it, so I'm just going to click here. And then, as always, you have to push on that puzzle piece and push allow. And then we'll just let it spin for a moment. Okay, so this right here is your workspace. So what happens is we have different things that they can do, announce, the cell phone lectures. The person has different actions. The smiley face is just different reactions that they may have. And then the star is kind of transitions that you can put in. So I'm going to start off right here. And I'm going to click on celebrate, and it's going to come down here. And it tells us Edgar celebrates alone in the alley holding nothing. Anything underlined, you can click on and choose. So there's only 3 characters in here. There's Edgar, Eva, and 13. He's the black cat. So if I click it, now instead of Edgar being up here, it'll be 13. Maybe I don't want him to be alone. Maybe I want him to be with Edgar and Eva. Maybe I don't want him to be in the alley. I want them to be in the park. And I want 13 holding some flowers. Okay? And so there they are, and everything comes up in here. So then, somebody's going to plot. He's going to plot in the park. Something evil's going to happen. And while he's doing that, meanwhile, I'm going to have Edgar chasing Eva. Okay, I can change any of these, but this is just kind of for you guys to see. I want to go back here to the star. And I want to show you something else that you can do where it says text. This might be a place that you want to write something. So if I click in here, I can start typing. Eva learned, because not everything is available here, so you might have to put in kind of some transitions as well. That Edgar stole her phone. Okay. So this is here. If I want to watch it, I'll come over to the beginning and I'll push the play button and I can see what happens. Okay, so obviously I did not have a beginning, middle, and end, but I just wanted to show you how things would be able to change on the Zimmer Twins. Now, if you want to save the movie, you're going to have to create an account. Might have mom and dad help you with that. But you don't have to. It's just something that I find to be fun, and it helps you practice with your writing and making stories. Have fun!